The most enviable jobs were therefore as scribes or nurses, existing in all the work groups and various types of work in the good commandos. The latter included all the jobs for semi-skilled workers in the factories such as Deutsche Ausrüstungswerke and the Union Weapons Factory.
The Buna factory under construction is a real Tower of Babel. There, deportees work alongside English prisoners of war, men from the French Chantier de Jeunesse, French and Polish civil workers, Ukrainian Ostarbeiter, Germans, and many women, particularly Polish and Ukrainian. The deportees and the workers are commanded by German or Polish Meisters. Some of the prisoners work as technicians in the offices, chemists, engineers, electricians, clerks. But the vast majority work out in the open, exposed to the cold, wind, rain, and snow. They have to supply grueling labor, excavation, building, unloading trucks, transporting huge cast iron or clay pipes, bags of cement, sand, or coal. They shift iron and metal girders. These types of work are all the more exhausting as they are forced on men, most of whom are out of shape and already weakened by undernourishment. During the winter, they suffer true agony.